Hello everyone, after a long time I came up with the fourth part of Excel basic tutorial. So today we will learn about topics such as charts in Excel, how to split the text in Excel and pivot tables, this thing. So till now we have covered multiple topics in our three video. So it is suggested that before watching this video you can watch those three videos to get an raw idea what is the Excel, what is the basic functionalities in Excel. You can watch those three videos by going through my channel, and I will also add the link in I button. By clicking you can see those three videos. So let's begin with today's session. So friends, we are using the previous data that we have used in previous three tutorial videos. So we will be using that data. So our first topic is to insert pictures or shapes in Excel sheet. So how you will do for inserting the pictures, you just have to go to the insert page, and then there you will find this option pictures. Here you can import the pictures either from this device or online resources. For now I am importing the pictures from this device only. So I will click on this device, then I have downloaded a Excel logo file. I will then click on it and then insert. Here now you can see this option, this picture here, or when the picture is inserted there is another tab opened, picture format, which allows many formatting functions such as pictures border, picture effects. These things you can customize. So for now I will delete this because I don't want. Same for shapes, you can go to the shape and just click on the shape that you want to insert in data, and then just drag and drop. Here you are seeing that when I drag and drop there is another tab opened, that is shape format. This is similar to that picture format. Here you can change the shape, outline, fill. Here you can do some basic transformation or conditional formatting of this picture. So for now I will delete this. Our first topic is covered. So now we will move on to the second topic, that is drop down list. So drop down list is used while data entering tasks. So when we use categorical data, then we need data drop down menu. So for doing this, suppose we have gender column and we have to insert the gender of this candidate. So how we will do? So for doing this, we will create a list in blank cell where you don't have to do anything in future. So there I am making a list, that is male, female and others. In general there are many categories, but for now I have considered these three categories into gender. So I will be using these three categories in the drop down list. So I have created the list. Now you have to select the column where you want to put the drop down list, and then you will go to the data, and there you will find the data validation. You just have to click on data validation. Here you can see any value, just click on arrow, select the list, and here in source box you will give the range that you have created a list. You have to give that list range. So I have simply just drag and drop, and now I have to click on OK. Now you will see that when I press on a cell, here I am seeing an option, that is arrow option, and when I am pressing that arrow option, you can see these three option is coming. This will appear for every cell in gender column. So now for Rani, what is the gender? It is female. For Kiran, what is the gender? It is female, obviously. For Rohit, what is the gender? It is male, obviously. So so this is the demonstration that I have used for simplifying the concept of drop down list. For now I will simply just undo this because I don't need actually. So now, yes, I've got the previous data as it is. So now this topic is covered. Now we will move on to the next topic, that is split text. Suppose for split text I have another data set. So suppose you have two separate columns data in a single column. For example, here you can see the movie ID and title. Both data are present in single column. So So for splitting this column into two columns, we just need to select the column, and then I will go to the text to columns. Here you can see the option text to columns, and I will just select the delimited. So here you have two options, delimited and fixed width. When you have single delimited, single symbol in any rows, you can use delimited. Fixed width is used when a character or symbol is repeated many times in a single row. That time delimited is not going to work. That's why we use fixed width. So for now I will select the delimited, and then I will here choose other, and here I will specify the delimited, that is colon. So now you can see the data preview. Here the movie ID and title are separated into two columns. So we will just click next, and then we will check general, and we will click on finish. This is already, do you want to replace it? Click on OK. Now you can see that our column has our column is divided into two parts, but I have to rename this. This is movie ID, and then this is movie title. Okay, now our third topic is covered. Our fourth topic is VLOOKUP. So I will request you to pay attention because VLOOKUP is very useful function and it is very hyped in the market. So you have to pay attention to the video because this is very important topic. Our next topic is charts in Excel. So why we use charts? We use charts for creating visuals by which we can get some business information, some business insights, and then by analyzing that insights we can improve our productivity or improve our strategy. So here you can see a sample data set, that is university test data. So for creating charts, you just have to select your data first, and then you need to go to the insert tab, and then here you can see the recommended charts option. Click on recommended charts. I will be suggesting that you should start with recommended charts because you are a beginner, and after that you can go further and explore other options. So for now I am taking this bar chart. Here I will see OK. Here you can see that it creates a visual where I can easily say that the most highest marks obtained by the Rajveer. Here by simply viewing this chart you can make decisions, you can get some insights. You can do many customization in this. Just press on plus and then you will see the options. So you can explore these options on your own. Guys, our next topic is VLOOKUP. So what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is a function used to create connection between two tables. So we use VLOOKUP to retrieve the data from another table into tables. So here I have taken example where I have two tables. You can see that here SRM university data which contains name, gender, age, class, house, these things. And another data set is university test data Here you can see that it's containing two rows, name and final text. So one thing you should remember while using VLOOKUP function, there should be always the common connection between two tables, at least one. Here you can see here the name, and in this table also we have name. So this is the common connection between two tables. By using this column, we will import data from this table to this table. So how we use it? We need final test marks just after the email. There are two options of doing this. First is you can do multiple entries one by one, and second one is using VLOOKUP function. So here just select the cell where you want to get the data from. Here you can see it takes four expression, that is lookup value, table array, column index, num and range lookup. So so the very first step would be create a new column. Okay, so here you can create a new column, name final test. Okay, now we are going to use VLOOKUP function. So just write equal to VLOOKUP, and then in lookup value we will use name and then comma. Table array is something, the another table from where you want to get the data. So in my case, the table range would be this. I have selected comma and then column index num. So in Excel, column index starts from 1. Here for name, the column index would be 1, and for final test, column index would be 2. So we will use 2 and then comma. You are seeing these two things, true or false. So we will use false because we want the exact match type, and press enter. Here you can see that for Rani the final test mark would be 74. Where is that? Yes, here you can see for Rani it is 74. You don't have to write the test marks one by one. Just now simply copy and paste the formula for others. Hooray! Now you can see that without entering the marks one by one, I'm able to get the marks data from another table. So that is it for today, guys. Initially I thought that I will cover the pivot table in this video, but since it is becoming too lengthy, so I have decided to make another video on pivot table externally. Please comment, guys, if you like this video, and keep motivating me. We will meet again in another video. Till then, subscribe my channel, share my video, and do like also. Thank you.